living in a region that sees extreme weather types, whether that be snow, heavy rain, we all know how dirty our cars get, right? Now, when the weather shifts from winter months to spring months, it's kind of that time to get back out and start cleaning your car again. But before you get ready to start washing your car consistently through the spring and summer months, you want to do a thorough cleaning, a spring cleaning, okay? And in this video, we're going to talk about a few different aspects and a few different things you can do to do a proper spring cleaning. So when you go into summer, you're going to have the best finish, the easiest finish possible to clean. Now, if you want to see more videos like this and you want to learn more about detailing, especially here at Adams Polishes, subscribe to our channel, okay? It keeps you up to date with the videos we post, but also gives you a chance to explore our full video library where you can learn how to do a winter prep, or you can learn how to even wash your car during the winter months. But in today's video, we're talking about spring cleaning. Now, the number one thing you want to do for spring cleaning is do a thorough wash, okay? But you want to use something like our strip wash, okay? Our strip wash is designed to thoroughly remove road salts, magnesium chloride, or just heavy dirt and grime altogether, okay? So your spring cleaning or your spring washing, incorporate the strip wash into that to have the best clean possible. Now, after you use the strip wash product in your 2-bucket wash process, the next thing you want to do is decon your car, decontaminate your car. Now, there's two aspects to this. There's sort of a chemical decon and there's a mechanical decon. The chemical decon is going to be an iron decon, an iron remover, okay? Iron particles embed themselves into your paint. So what we want to do is use the iron remover to attack the particles that are actually inside your paint. But what do we do about the paint overspray and the protrusions of that iron? Well, use a clay bar, which is more of a mechanical decon, to remove any bonding contamination or the protrusions from that iron fallout. Now, after you do the strip wash and you do a decon on your car, what's the next thing you want to do? Well, a one-step polish, okay? Now, when you do a winter prep, you apply a graphene ceramic coating. You apply a ceramic coating to your vehicle. So when you're going through winter, you're actually going to acquire some damage on your ceramic coating, okay? It's just natural. When you go through those harsh months, it's harder to do a safe wash because you're not in your driveway with your 2 buckets and all that stuff, right? So you're gonna get surface level scratches on your ceramic coating. The best way to remove those is going to be using a one-step polish, okay? The one-step polish really gets your ceramic coated vehicle back to looking great again, okay? It's gonna remove those surface level scratches. It's gonna provide a ton of gloss, and it's sort of gonna reset your finish back to where you want it and kind of back to where it was in your winter prep. So now when you go into summer, your car is gonna be looking amazing. Now, after you've done the one-step polish and your finish is looking amazing, the fourth thing you wanna do is apply graphene protection, okay? You can choose between the little bottle, a 60 ml bottle of graphene protection, or the spray coating. Now, in this case, I'd recommend doing the spray coating, okay? Because for sure, that graphene ceramic spray coating is going to last to when you do your winter prep in either October or November to get ready to go into the winter months. So I always recommend putting at least the graphene ceramic spray coating on your vehicle, okay? Now, listen, the thing about the graphene ceramic spray coating, not only does it protect it and really preserve the finish of your vehicle, but because of the really dynamic hydrophobic properties, it makes cleaning your car in the spring and summer much easier, okay? The water's gonna beat up and fall off, so your initial rinse when your car is dusty or dirty, it's gonna get more of that loose dirt and grime off of the vehicle. So when you touch it with the mitt, it's actually gonna glide better. It's going to scratch less, okay? So your car is going to look better throughout the summer months. So then when you get into, hey, listen, the weather's about to turn to winter again, let's do a winter prep. Guess what? Do this same process where you thoroughly clean it, do a clay bar or clay mitt to remove any bonding contamination, one-step polish, put your graphene ceramic spray coating on, and you're gonna be ready to go into summer, making cleaning your car that much easier.